Hello guys, review Redmi 13C, this 5G version with MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus. And open box, look complectation. We have complectation device, of course, in the black color. And only cable Type-C. This international version. Okay. Turn on device. On this side slot for SIM cards, on this side power button and volume buttons, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay. Open settings. About phone we have MIUI Global 14.0.7, Android 13. Close this. Open Geekbench 6 and look tests, benchmark tests. Mali G57 MC2 GPU and results. Okay, look under the benchmark results. Okay, and open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.